Hey guys, welcome back to another little vlog. Me and Nov just came back from the shops. We're getting the Supra and we're going for a little drive. And Nov doesn't want to drive the car because it's seriously too loud, and he's saying that he's having issues with the muffler not shutting. He's just said he's discovered something, so let's go have a look at what he's discovered. What you got there, Nov?
Look here, have a look inside.
Inside where? The muffler?
Yeah, can you see inside?
What is that?
That's the flap.
Is it? What? I can see it.
See, you can't. Doesn't shut.
Yeah. What the heck?
Just jams up.
No wonder.
It's bent, if you can see it there.
I see it.
Well,
you can actually see
some
it.
light. That's bent as.
No, I can actually see it. It's crazy. What's interesting, Nov, is that you definitely causes a problem if you can't close it when you want to. Like, if you're driving beside a cop or something, you definitely want that feature to just turn it off. Otherwise, you got issues. So what are you going to do about it?
Nothing, I'm going to put my loud one on.
You're going to put the loud one on that you can't adjust?
If we're going out, we're going to go out.
We're going to go out loud in style?
Yeah.
Just go out with a bang? Okay.
I'm getting busted. I'm not getting busted with this fucking shit.
If you're gonna get busted, you get busted in style. The wise words of Nov. Love it. Love it.
She cooked.
She's cooked. How much better is that gonna be, Nov? He's about to turn it on and I'm pretty scared, Nov. Nov, your car doesn't need any more attention on this road. What Nov was saying yesterday when he was driving this back from work, he was complaining. He's like, why am I a clown on the streets? He's driving it and everybody next to him is like, spin it, dose it, and he just wants to drive home in peace. He just wants to drive home in peace in the Supra. What is wrong with that? God, he's not gonna put in a show every second. Like, he loves to put in a show for like high school kids, but apart from that, can you just somebody please like leave Nov alone? He's a tired man. Oh God. And we can't adjust this. Holy shit. That is so freaking loud. It's loud as Nov. God help us. Help. Somebody send help. The good old Aristos lives another day. He was going to pull the engine out today, but we haven't got time for that. But yeah, poor Aristos is going to. Bye. And that engine into my Supra. Yeah.
What?
Holy shit. Loves sharing his thoughts.
No, I'm just talking about the exhaust. How much better it is compared to that barracks fucking heat.
Yeah?
Yeah.
Piece of shit. I know, now it actually sounds tough. Like tough and mean.
Yeah, the car shakes, man,
Yeah.
from the sound.
It's actually really loud now, so even if you have a cop next to you, you know you're not going to be able to do anything about it. Nah. Let's hope that they appreciate the toughness. Okay. We're too loud, you guys. He's gone to change the idle. He said he's playing up. It's way too loud.